In this video, I'm covering the most common errors I see among jumpers, as well as the best tips for overcoming these trip-ups and frustrations so you can progress as fast as possible. Let's get into it. One of the most common errors I see among beginner to intermediate jumpers is improper rope length. A longer rope is more inefficient than a shorter rope. A shorter rope gives you more control as well as greater speed potentials. Long ropes also make a lot more contact with the ground. More contact with the ground means greater wear and tear on your rope, which means more money out of your pocket. Avoid rough surfaces as much as possible because this is going to wear out your rope faster. You will be able to extend your rope's life by choosing a smooth surface like a garage floor. Or better yet, get a jump rope mat so you can jump wherever you want. Now, when going to a shorter rope, you want to do so gradually and over time, because if you're cutting your rope, you can always cut more off, but you can't put it back on. If you want more detailed information regarding sizing, check out this video on my channel. If you need new ropes, check out the ropes I recommend down below. I have discount codes so you can get the best price possible. Having a rope that's too long leads to the next problem, which is poor form, and form is best explained with visuals, so here we go. For good form, you want to be standing tall, shoulders down to help engage the lats. This will help stabilize your upper body in the jumping motion. Keep your chin up. If you need to look down, do so only with your eyes. Hands should be at hip level on the frontal plane of your body, and this is important. Your elbows should be pointed backwards. This will help keep your rope rotation mechanics on your wrists. Your legs should be mostly straight but not locked out, and you should stay on the balls of your feet. As I've stated, all these things work together, and an improper rope sizing and/or bad form is going to lead to poor technique, and this is going to lead to a lot more trip-ups. We need to avoid this. Avoid things like donkey kicks, pike jumps, or tuck jumps. We don't want excessive arm movement. We don't want our elbows pinned to our sides and arms flared out. We want our hands by our hips. Our wrists are rotating the rope. We want to be jumping nice and low to the ground, reducing impact, landing softly. This is what is going to help you create consistency, symmetry from one side to the other, and it's going to help you progress a lot faster. Now make sure you're applying all these tips as they all build on each other and affect each other equally. For more detailed tips and tutorials, check out my Start Here playlist and the other videos on the channel, and I will see you on the inside.